Our next topic is expression index. So in PostgreSQL, we will learn how to create an expression index. Here is an example of an expression index. So what is an expression index? So for this, I have an example for you. Explain select static from bar where lower name like text one, any text. So what is this? So when you learn that your data and your query, specifically your query has some kind of an expression, each query has some kind of an expression and you are using too much. So it really makes sense to use that expression into your index. The Postgres provide you that facility. So like in that case, I can create an index name on column name. I can create that. But on that, I have to apply lower on each value when I'm getting value from the index. But if I can create an index on a table and use lower, which an expression as a function, and we call it as an expression, and create that index by applying that. And when I query that, it will not do that. Like I have an example here. So create index idx xp on bar is a table, lower is a function, and name is a column. So it's whole call an expression. So it's called a expression index. So here I've used the same query and you can see the result here. The different plan is generated. So it's not only simple expression you can use. I want to clarify the confusion that we can only create an expression index on a function. So here I have a complex expression where select static, I'm explaining a query, explain select static from bar where dt is a datetime column. It's the name of the column. Plus I'm adding 2 days interval and less than now. So I have a little bit complex expression. So a bit complex expression. So it's not just a function. So I'm adding 2 days interval to a datetime column. So I'm using this query too often. So why to create only an index on DT column? So I will create an index by applying the whole expression on that DT column and create an index on that. So I have created an index here. If you can see, I have created an expression index here. And when you explain it, a different explain plan is used. And you can definitely see some performance benefit. Thumbs up if you like the video, take the full course and pass the quiz in our Google Class to get the certificate. Just open Google Classroom and click join class, enter the code of that class.